Goenka Public School, Sirsa, we believe in nurturing young minds, fostering them with creativity, and empowering them to excel in academic skills, co-curricular activities, and life skills. Our reception is the heart of GD Goenka Public School, Sirsa, staffed by courteous professionals. It's where visitors are welcome, queries are addressed, and communication flows seamlessly, reflecting our passion to making a positive school experience. Our classrooms are more than just spaces. They are hubs for innovation. With smart classes and engaging lessons, every subject comes alive. Our library is a treasure trove of knowledge, housing an extensive collection of books, magazines, and digital resources. Designed for young minds, it's a space where students dive into new stories, explore new ideas, and nurture a lifelong love for reading. Our high-tech computer lab is where technology meets education. Equipped with the latest softwares and programs, it empowers the student to master coding, programming, and digital tools. The Adult Tinkering Lab is a hub of creativity and innovation. Here, the students explore about electronics, AI, and robotics and turn their creativity and ideas into reality. Welcome to Goenka Prime TV, the heartbeat of creativity and innovation at GD Goenka Public School, Sirsa. This platform empowers students to explore media, enhance their public speaking skills, and be ready to face the world. Our Maths Lab transforms numbers into exciting experiences. With engaging tools and hands-on activities, students learn more about topics like algebra, geometry, and measurement. Fostering curiosity and inspiring the students to think creatively and innovate in the world of science. Air-conditioned transport services ensure safe and comfortable commutes for everyone. With GPS tracking, trained drivers and attendants, parents can rest assured that their children are traveling safely, making every journey to and from school a seamless experience. Our well-equipped infirmary ensures the health and safety of every student. With equipped medical staff and first aid facilities, we ensure the well-being of every student in a nurturing and secure environment. Our lift service ensures accessibility and convenience for children with special needs across all the floors. Our school believes in all-round development, from football to taekwondo, gymnastics to swimming, skating to basketball. There's no limit to the sports we can explore. Our basketball courts are where teamwork and strategy come alive. Our coaches help them to prepare for inter-school tournaments and help them to foster passion for the sport. Football at GD Goenka isn't just a game, it's a way to build resilience, hard work, and determination. Swimming at GD Goenka combines fitness and fun. Our pristine pool and expert trainers ensure that students develop strong techniques and water safety skills while building stamina, confidence through this life enriching sport. Volleyball courts are a hub of energy and teamwork. With professional training and participation, students develop skills like agility, coordination, and camaraderie, preparing them for matches and tournaments while staying fit and active. Taekwondo at GD Goenka instills discipline and self-defense skills in our students. At GD Goenka Public School, Sirsa, skating fosters agility, balance, and confidence. Our dedicated rink and skilled teachers helps in making every session exciting. At GD Goenka Public School, Sirsa, gymnastics enhances strength, flexibility, and discipline, helping students achieve excellence through hard-work training. Our shooting range sharpens the focus and precision in our students. Trained by the professionals, students develop skills like patience, accuracy, and self-control while also mastering this unique sport, and it opens the doors to national level competitions and achievements. At GD Goenka Public School, Sirsa, yoga is a part of our holistic education. Through guided sessions, students cultivate mindfulness, flexibility, and inner peace, promoting both physical and mental well-being for a healthy future. Equipped with instruments and sound systems, students can explore the world of music, from learning the instruments to understanding the theory. where rhythm and expression comes to life. With spacious floors and mirrors, every student perfects their dance moves in every dance style. Our vibrant art room is where imagination turns into reality. With a variety of materials and tools, students create masterpieces, experiment with different techniques, and express their creativity freely.